Good morning guys, so in front of me is Motorola Moto G57 Power, and let me show you how to locate IMEI number assigned to this phone. So at first open your phone dialer. Now enter keypad and provide secret code. The code is *##06#. And here we've got device info with both IMEI numbers at the top of the list. As you can see, this panel also allows you to check EID number or serial number. Tap on OK to exit, and now you can also locate IMEI via settings. So just enroll the settings at first. From main settings list, select About Phone, and here go to device details. Now, a bit lower, you've got both IMEI numbers assigned to your device. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.